How to pay with Venmo on Uber Eats. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In 2025, Uber Eats has made it much easier to use Venmo as a payment option. Here is how you can set it up and use Venmo to pay for your orders. First of all, open Uber Eats and launch the application. After that, log in into your account. Next up, tap on your profile on the bottom right and go to Wallets or Payments. After that, tap on Add Payment Method. Once you do so, choose for the Venmo option. It will redirect you to the Venmo account and you will have to log in to authorize the connection. Once linked, you can set the Venmo as your default payment method by selecting. Now, whenever you browse and add items to your cart as usual, you can check out ensuring Venmo is selected as the payment option. After that, you'll be redirected to the Venmo app to confirm the payment and finalize your Uber Eats order. Once this is done, you have successfully paid using the Venmo on your Uber Eats. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.